Councillor for the Knockpatrick Division, Carl Smith, is hitting back at comments made by a Member of Parliament for Central Manchester, Rhoda Moy Crawford. This is over her decision to repair a parochial road in the constituency without informing the municipal corporation. According to Mr. Smith, the issue is not that the MP carried out repairs, but the lack of communication.
All right, so persons might say, yes, she's fixing a road. I am not against her fixing any road. But the thing is, when we get our PRF and we have to submit a road, when we submit a road, a particular road, and it is sent up, and when the officers go and look at the road and the road is already fixed, then it takes at least 1 year and 6 months to move that money again.
At a JLP party meeting this week, Ms. Crawford blasted the councillor for his comments. Mr. Smith expressed disappointment that the MP has taken issue with the concern.
The Member of Parliament took offence to that. You are fixing a parochial road, and the decent thing to do is to inform the municipal corporation, because in fact, the parochial road are for the municipal corporation.